Good morning students. In the last class हमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 29 पर्यंत करथिले. We will continue from that. 30 नंबर परठू हमें करियो. Remember 30 नंबर टा important भी अछि. Question number 30. What it says, if a is equal to 1 2 3 3 minus 2 1 4 to 1, then show that AQ minus 23A minus 40I is equal to 0. Here I is equal to identity matrix of third order. Okay. So here you have to find AQ. AQ हमको बाहर करिया पड़ियो. AQ टा बाहर करिया पे हमको प्रथम a स्क्वायर बाहर करिया पड़ियो. A स्क्वायर into a is equal to AQ. First of all, a square a into a 1 2 3 3 minus 2 1 4 2 1 into 1 2 3 3 minus 2 1 4 2 1. Now multiply this one into this one. 1 2 3 is 6, 3 4 is 12. Then 3 1 is 3, minus 2 3 is 6, 1 4 is 1, 4 1 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 1 4 is. Then this one 1 2 is 2, 2 minus 2 4, 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6, minus 2 plus 4 2, 4 2 is 8, minus 4 1 2 is 2. Then finally this one 1 3 is 3, 2 1 is 2, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, minus 2 1, 4 3 is 12, 2 1 is 2, 1 1 is 1. So it becomes wax or trichonis 7 minus 6 1, so it's 10 14, 6 2 8 4, 10 2 12, 8 2 10 4 गले 6, 3 3 6 2 8, 9 1 10 8, 12 14 का 15. So this is your a square. Okay. Then we find AQ. AQ is equal to a square into a. A square is equal to this one. 19 4 8 1 12 8 14 6 15 into 8 1 2 3 3 minus 2 1 4 2 1. Okay, now we'll multiply. Write down this one. Okay. Now if we will multiply this one into this one. 19 1 is 19 plus 4 3 is 12 plus 8 4 is 32. This one 1 1 is 1, 12 3 is 36, 8 4 is 32. Then 14 1 is 14, 6 3 is 18, 15 4 is 60. Okay. Then this one 19 2 is 38, minus 8, 16, 2 minus 24 add 2 ने 16. Then 14 2 is 28, minus 12, 30. Finally 57, 4 1 is 4, 8 1 is 8, 1 3 is 3, 12 into 1 12, 8 into 1 8. Finally 14 3 is 42 plus 6 plus 15. Okay, this is a 3 by 3 matrix. Now what do we get? 31 32, 63, 33 36, 69, 14 18, 92, 30 plus 16, 46, 16 to 18, 24, 6, 28, 16, 30, 46, 57 carry except 69. Okay, now we get 63, 46, 69, 69 minus 6, 23, 92, 46 and 63. This is your A cube. Then we will have LHS. A cube minus 23A minus 40I. A cube is equal to your this much 63, 46, 69, 69 minus 6, 23, 92, 46, 63 minus 23 into A. A is equal to your 1 2 3, 3 minus 2 1 and 4 to 1. Then minus 40I. I is your unit matrix of order 3. Right? Now what we will get here? 63, 46, 69. 69 minus 6, 23. 92, 46, 63. Minus 23, 46, 69. Okay, minus 69, minus 46, 23, then 92, 46, 23, minus 40, 0, 0, 40 and this much. Now adding all these three, what will you get? 63 minus 23 minus 40, 69 minus 0, 69 minus 0, 92 minus 92 0, then 46 minus 46 minus 0 minus 6 plus 46 minus 40, then 46 minus 46 minus 0, then finally 69 minus 69 minus 0, 23 minus 23 minus 0, 63 minus 23 minus 40, which is equal to 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 0, which is a third order null matrix. Okay, this is our RHS. Eta bolo kontota important, you can do it. Okay, quickly, right? Next we'll go for 31 टा हमरो बिग क्वेश्चन का खाली आइडिया पाए मैं कहूची, अदरवाइज यू कैन डू योरसेल्फ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 31, x y z into ahg, then hbf, then GFC. Okay, next we have X, Y, J. Eta sarla? Okay. Now this is 1 by 3, this is 3 by 3, and this is 3 by 1. First of all, we will multiply this one and we will get 1 by 3 matrix. यदि क्या बोलिए हमको 1 by 3 रोटे मैट्रिक्स मिलेंगे, रो मैट्रिक्स. ओके, now multiply. Okay, what do we get? A, this one into this one, ax hy plus gz, then hx eta को by, then fz, then gx fy and cz. आपको हमें एटा 1 by 3 हला, एटा 3 by 1 ऐसे तो आपको हमें गुणिया. ओके, सो व्हाट विल गेट? गोटे फर्स्ट 1 by 1 गोटे मैट्रिक्स मिलिबो, आपको आसे साम गुणिबा ax square hxy plus gzx, then hx square b hx hy hxy, then by square, then fyz. एटा सहित आपको गुणिबा g zx fyz cz square, which is a 1 by 1 matrix. आपको ये सजे दे ax square by square cz square 2hxy plus 2fyz plus 2gzx. This is your answer. Quick, जल्दी टिके लिखी दो, right? Okay. Next, we'll go for 32. 32 ता easy अछि, मु खाली गोटे आइडिया पे कर दोछि. 32 रे it is given that AB is equal to BA and both A and B are same order. Okay, so we have to prove this one, A minus B into A plus B. Look at here, right? 80 এটা solve. Now what we do here, हमें RHS नहीं लिया, A minus B into A plus B. Now multiply A into A because A B दिखता देखो same order अच्छी. Okay, आउ कोई चीज़े multiply हे करियो, A B is equal to B A, ठीक है? A into A, then plus A into B minus B into A minus B into B. A into A square अब already हमें कौन से थे? AB minus BA B square. जेहेतु AB is equal to B है हमको बेसी सेटमें एडी हमारा कैंसिल है किलो A square minus B square. This is your LHS हमारा प्रूव ही गला. ओके, तो ए रकमर एटा हमारा ही परिबो. बाकी जो तीनटा बीटा अछि हमें ताको ए भलिया कर दो. ओके, just write down. Then we go for 33. Okay. What do you do here? Now it is given that alpha beta are scalar quantities. Alpha beta देखो हमरो scalar quantity. अब कौन चीज आ सकता? A is a square matrix and I is the identity matrix of same order as A. A is a square matrix and I is the identity matrix of order same as A. A रो order जैसे कि I रो order सेती हैला. Then prove that कोइची जे A minus alpha I A minus beta I into A minus beta I is equal to A square minus alpha plus beta A then plus alpha beta I. Okay, so normal हमें multiply कर दबा, multiply करते हमारा आंसर पड़े ऐसे. LHS लिखिएगा A minus alpha I into A minus beta I, A into A, then A into beta into I, then A into alpha into I, then alpha into beta into I into I. Remember A into A square. इधे A को I से तो गुणिले A मिलेगा. Because identity matrix को जो matrix से तो गुणिले भी will get the same matrix. A into I, A beta. Simply इधे A into I, A is equal A alpha into beta scalar quantity beta. इधे one thing you remember, I ता identity matrix अच्छी. इसमें ताको जेते थोड़ा गुणिले भी you will get I square, IQ, I4, I identity element. So it will be I. So इधर एक common कर दे alpha plus beta A plus alpha beta I, which is our RHS. Okay, write down. जल्दी लिखो. ओके नाउ 34 दरकार नै हमर विशेष किछि जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई करले हे जिवो एंड 35 टा मु खाली हिंट कहूची यू कैन डू योरसेल्फ 35 रे हमको a दे दीची a square is equal to a प्रूव करिया होइची so in case of 35 so what you have to do take LHS multiply a into a you will get a square whatever a square you get that will be your a हमरो हे परिबो सिस्टम 35 के मु करू नै now I go to 36 36 a given b given then find out 2a plus 3b 2a minus 3b a is equal to 0 2 3 2 1 4 and b is equal to 7 6 3 1 4 5 7 6 3 1 4 5 now find 2a plus 3b and 2a minus 3b so first of all ये देखिए हमें इधर बात करें 2a plus 3b 2 into a एक बार ये इधर हम पकड़ेगा 0 2 3 2 1 4 b को ये इधर पकड़ेगा 7 6 3 1 4 5 what you get 2 शून्य 4 6 4 2 8 plus 21 18 9 3 12 and 15 what you get शून्य plus 21 21 4 18 22 6 9 15 then 4 3 7 2 12 14 then 8 15 20 so it is 2a plus 3b similarly 2a minus 3b 2 into a 0 2 3 2 1 4 plus 3 into 7 6 3 1 4 5 okay what do we get here 0 4 6 4 2 8 minus 21 18 9 3 12 15 सीधा सीधा माइनस हबो 0 ରୁ 21 गले -21 4 ରୁ 18 गले -14 6 ରୁ 9 गले -3 4 ରୁ 3 गले 1 2 ରୁ 12 गले -10 and 8 ରୁ 15 गले -7 this is your 2a minus 3b okay write down okay next 37 and 38 a procedure रे अछि you can do yourself ताको कंप्लीट हमें कर दबा 37 रे भी से a 3b 2c एमती बचै छी अब गोटे ट्रांसपोज कोइ छी ट्रांसपोज इज यू नो इट इज ए का ब्लू कलर ये सब मिश्रण प्रदान हबो similarly also 38 रे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ टा प्रूव करिया कोइ छी a plus b आगे बाहर कर दो then multiply with c then अलगा अलगा ab b ac और bc कर देले हमरो हे जीवो ओके सो you can do yourself 37 and 38 मु बता 39 टा कर दे 39. Find xy equal to एभलिया प्रॉब्लम गोटे मे बी इन योर काउंसिल एग्जाम रे तमरो आसी पाए 1 - 2 3 2 into x2 1y is equal to -3 4 -1 4. So multiply these two इक्वल कर दिया आसे तो सब जगह सेकंड ऑर्डर अछि अब कुछ प्रॉब्लम होबनी हमको मल्टीप्लाई दिस टू 1 into x minus 2 3 into x plus 2 1 into 2 minus 2y 3 2 is 6 plus 2y is equal to now by using the equality हमें इक्वल लिखी दो x minus 2 is equal to minus 3 3x plus 2 is equal to minus 1 यदि क्या होगा 2 minus 2y is equal to 4 6 plus 2y is equal to 4 यदि क्या हमें सॉल्व कर दो just add these two 2 cancel 4x is equal to minus 4 x is equal to minus 1 इटे सब्सट्रैक्ट कर दो माइनस 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 इटे 4 4 कैंसिल 2 रु 6 गले माइनस 4 माइनस 4y is equal to 0 माइनस 4y is equal to 4 implies y is equal to minus 1. Therefore the value of xy both are equal to minus 1. This is your 39. Okay, do right. Now बाकी जो remaining रहिला we'll do in the next class. Okay.